in general, my words to, but based on yung maraming, pareho tayo, Kuya Boy, na fascinated sa dynamics ng demokrasya and yung yung elements of factors ng eleksyon. So sa pagbabasa ko, some say 3, 4, 5, 6 elements, but to summarize it, one, the candidate.
Okay.
Kasi di ba parang advertising, Kuya Boy, kahit anong ganda nung advertising mo, babalik ka nung ano ba yung produkto, di ba? Okay. Then the message. So the message is the advertising or the marketing. So magaling ang produkto mo, pero kailangan magaling din yung benta mo, di ba? Third is the resources. So minsan ito hiniwalay nila. So when you say resources, may tao ka ba? Sa immediate staff mo, may war room ka ba? May ground forces ka ba? So whether it's sa US, Democrats, Republicans, or sa UK, yung Labor Party and the Conservative Party, or Philippine style na admin opposition, and then the money. 'Di ba? Kasi kahit ano sabihin mo, the more resources in terms of finances you have, the more options you have. So kung wala kang pera, SOCMED is a good option. Ang labanan dyan is creativity. But if you have money, you can do both. 'Di ba? Or more than that pa. But the fourth na usually hindi pinag-uusapan is the environment, no? Again, my word, different books use different words for that, but more or less, or if I can pick one word na nabasa ko rin, yung environment, meaning 2007 when I was elected senator, and this election, it was very emotional at medyo clear-cut yung issue. So 2007, it was the anti-Arroyo, whether it was stealing, cheating, lying, whether it was Hello Garci, going to Senator Bongo. There's no doubt, 100%, beneficiary siya nung hurt ng ating mga kababayan na bakit inaresto at bakit dinala sa ibang bansa si former President Duterte. Because he's the, if I can use the word, alter ego, di ba? So kung Batman si President Duterte, ito talaga yung Robin eh. I mean, walang dispute, yan ang kasama. Yan ang nag-aalaga sa ating former president. Ang former president nagpatakbo sa kanya nung first time, no? Having said that, maraming factor nang hindi alam din ng ating kababayan. For example, hindi never nagbago si Senator Bongo na sumasagot siya sa text. He has 2 or 3 phones. Some pasa nung staff pag may tumawag, but siya mismo, whenever he has 5 minutes, 30 minutes, may meeting, the text yan. So, even 1 year before the election, pagkausap ko yung iba, local government, or even yung iba niyang staff na parang, sir, hindi na kami sinasagot ganun kabilis nung iba, pero nung dyan si PRD. Di ba? Yung, from them to the leaders. But yung leaders, nung nakausap ko, kamusta ganyan? Sir, si Bongo, sumasagot eh. And he really tries to solve the problem. So that's one. Okay. Number 2, yung ground. Most of the candidates, not all, but most, parating umiikot. Si Senator Bongo never stopped.